Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson AM. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dyson AM has poor air circulation, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to a clogged filter or a blockage in the airflow path. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to overheating and further damage to your device, making it essential to tackle the problem as soon as possible. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush for cleaning, a cloth for wiping surfaces, and replacement filters if necessary. First, ensure your Dyson AM is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully locate the screws at the base of the unit and use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Keep the screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top section of your Dyson AM to reveal the internal components. Look for the filter, which is often the cause of poor air circulation. If it appears dirty or clogged, remove it from its housing. To do this, just twist it gently counterclockwise and lift it out. If you have a replacement filter, now is the time to install it. Simply place the new filter into the housing and twist it clockwise until you feel it lock into place. If you're cleaning the existing filter, ensure it's free from dust and debris using your soft brush. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components as you clean. Once you've ensured everything is clean and secure, it's time to reassemble your Dyson AM. Align the top section back onto the base, ensuring everything fits snugly, and then replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. Finally, plug your Dyson AM back in and turn it on to check if the air circulation has improved. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean or replace your filters regularly, and check for blockages in the airflow path every few months. Regular maintenance can keep your Dyson AM running smoothly and efficiently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.